Hey guys, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all my latest notifications.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to install the horn. So I think you have seen my other video which I've showed you the unboxing of this particular horn. So today I'm gonna make the installation of this. I'm gonna fix this to my car and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's begin this, and before that, if you're watching for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon and help me in uploading more and more videos, guys. So I need your continuous support. Thank you so much for followers and like other guys where you have subscribed me and you guys have reached me, help me in reaching 14,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much for you guys. And I'm gonna make the same video in Hindi also. I'm gonna make the Hindi version. I'm gonna add the voice. And now making in इंग्लिश. तो हिंदी में भी मैं बना रहा हूँ और जो है लिंक मैं दे दूंगा हिंदी में, जो भी डिस्क्रिप्शन जो ने मैं बताया वो हिंदी में मैं बता दूंगा. तो थैंक यू गाइस. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. लेट्स बिगिन दिस. सो आई एम गोना मेक द अनबॉक्सिंग. आई एम गोना इंस्टॉल दिस. आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड द अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ दिस. सो लेट्स बिगिन. लेट्स ओपन द कार. Open the bonnet now. So before that, I'm going to show you my horn. Hold on. You need a waste cloth and I'm using two spanners over here, which is 1011. I'm using these both 1011 ring and a normal half ring spanner. So I'm gonna remove the horn now. I'm gonna show you how to remove it. So guys, this is the bonnet. I have opened the bonnet, and here comes the speaker. Let me just turn on the light. Okay, so you can see over here, this is the speaker, the old one. So I'm gonna remove the speaker. I'm gonna use the spanner, which is 10 and 11. So you can see this comes next to the engine. Okay, please make sure your engine is off. Okay, do not touch the engine when it's on, because it has produced a lot of heat. So there are chances that you may burn your finger. Let me try to get, yeah. So you can see here, I'm gonna remove this using the spanner. So make sure you fix this before turning on your engine. I've removed the nut. Now I'm gonna take out the washer carefully. Please make sure you don't miss any of the washer or the nut. Yeah, so I have removed this. There are two washers. Now I'm gonna take this out. So you can see guys, I have removed it. So now I'm gonna fix my camera. Okay, so it's time to unplug these screws. I mean the plug. I'm gonna just remove this plug. So I have removed the old speaker. You just keep this aside, and here comes the new one. Just open this. So you can use one or you can use both, wherein I'll try to fit both, but it makes a very loud voice, when I think one is sufficient, but still I try to install both. So wherein I have only one connector over here, so I'm gonna install this both, but I'm gonna connect for one, and for the other one I'm gonna get the connectors. I'm gonna fit in this same place. this position. This is how I'm gonna fit. So let me first check. Yes, I can fit the board. Visible. So you can see, guys, there is a lot more space. I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna fit this over here. Both comes over here. I'm gonna fit this speaker over here in this position. So let me just install one for the time being and install other one later. I'm gonna show you how to install this now. So let me mold the camera again. So I'm gonna remove my watch. I think it's a little difficult, so I'm gonna add one by one. Hey guys, so you can see now I have opened this and I have removed my watch and everything. So I'm gonna fit one one horn now. So because I have only one output over here, so I need to make some joints and then I'm gonna connect two. So meanwhile I'm gonna fix this one. So if you want both the horn, you can fix it, because one horn makes a lot more noise. So you can see, guys, I have installed the speaker over there. I'm gonna tighten these screws, the nut and bolt. Sorry. So I need to tighten this. So you can see it's fixed over there. I think it's visible. This is how you can fit, and it's time to tighten it up. So I'm gonna use this half-inch spanner and tighten it up. Takes more time, and as I told you, you have to try to fit this only when your engine is completely cool. Do not try this when your engine is hot, because you're gonna burn your hand. Make sure you tight it hard. So now I have tightened this up. I'm gonna take this to lead and I'm gonna put it inside to the particular connections to the horn, and I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna put this. Yeah, here. So take one by one. The second one. So you can see guys, I fitted both the horn, both the leads to the horn point. So it's time to test it out. Let me just put back to the normal position. So guys, the installation is almost done. So it's final time to check if the horn is working fine or not. So I'm gonna horn it, you can see. So this is how the new horn looks. So this is how you can change it. So I have just installed only one horn. If you want, you can install both. So guys, you can see now I have installed both the speaker over here. So this is 1 and 2. Here I have fixed it. So I have took the cable and I have joined over here. So I'm gonna show you the sound. So you can see now. So this is how it's gonna sound when you install both the speaker. So previously I installed a single speaker and showed you the sound. So wherein to install two speaker, it's gonna take a little more time. Hence I have just showed you about installing the single speaker. Let me just close this. How it's gonna sound when you install. So this is how you can self-install it. Hope this video was useful to you guys, and if you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up, and please do comment me in the comment section for your feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you guys for your continuous support. Thumbs up.